मैं मणिपुर के लोगों से भी आग्रहपूर्वक कहना चाहता हूं, वहां की माताओं, बहनों, बेटियों से कहना चाहता हूं, देश आपके साथ है। ये सदन आपके साथ है।
He did not speak for so many days, so many months. I don't know why. Now when we start reacting, when we have the whole country has raised against them, and then they are telling India is with Manipur, I think it is not right. As a Prime Minister, as a responsible person, as an elected representative of people, 140 crore people of this country, I think he should have voiced out the day one and stopped it. Now what, this country has so much of capacity, can't we just stop the issue in Manipur? Is he telling that, okay, I could not do it? I think it is a disgrace to the office of Prime Minister, and if the Prime Minister can only talk now, I think it is not right. We don't want explanation, we want peace, we want people to be safe and people to be secured and living happily. Who wants explanation? Why is that allowed to such a thing happen in this country? That means your administration, you don't have the capacity to administer. You are weak in administration. That is what it shows. So what do we want explanation? A government which is so strong, we are one of the third or fourth power in this world. We cannot stop one small issue in Manipur. Means it's a big disgrace. So what are they explaining now about? I think that is not what is asked for. That issue should not have happened. And the beginning itself, it should have been stopped and controlled.